Hey. That's Mommy's favorite vase. What do we do? Should we tell Mommy?
But she'll be so sad if she finds out.
A magic wand! Maybe it can fix the vase. Whoa! It really is magic! But that's not a vase. That's not right either. Not this one either. Let me try again. Please turn back into a vase! Yes, we did it!
Wait, why does the vase have legs?
Ah! The magic wand! It's getting away!
Huh? Where is it?
Ah! Uh-oh, we're in big trouble now.
Quick, catch it! We can't let it cause more trouble! All done. Wait, is my vase walking?
Ouch! Am I seeing things? Vases can't run.
I'll turn it off!
Where did it go?
What is going on here?
We accidentally broke the vase, and... Oh my gosh! A running vase?
What is that?
No time to explain! We have to catch it first! Or it's gonna cause more trouble!
Let's get it!
Huh? What?
Ouch!
Oh no! The balloons are flying away! Sorry!
Let me get this back up for you. Are you okay? I'm okay.
It went that way!
This is my first time chasing a running vase!
Let's split up. You guys cut it off up ahead. We'll chase it from behind.
Okay!
Man, it can really run.
You can't run away!
Ouch!
It ran into the flower shop!
Whoa! What's the rush?
Excuse me, have you seen a vase with legs?
A what? Never mind. We'll just look around.
Not here. There it is! Oh wait, that's not it. The pattern is different.
Where could it be hiding?
Nope, not this one. Not that one either. Achoo! Hey!
No!
I got it! Ah! It's right here! Gotcha.
How on earth did this vase grow legs?
Mommy, we're so sorry. We broke your vase. We didn't want you to be sad, so we used the magic wand, but it made the vase run away and made a big mess.
If we told you first, we wouldn't have this giant mess.
Look, the magic is gone! The vase is back to pieces!
It's okay the vase broke. I'll only be sad for a little bit. But you chose to tell the truth. That's way more important than any vase. That makes me so happy.
We won't play ball in the living room anymore. We can play in the yard from now on.
It looks like you've already learned your lesson. I'm so proud of you both.
Well, at least you're honest.
I saw a vase earlier that looks just like Mommy's vase. Yeah, we can use our pocket money to buy it for Mommy.
Okay, anything from you two will be my favorite.
Let's pick out some beautiful flowers to go with it.
Sounds great! princess now. Whoa! Whoa!
Wow, so warm. I love it.
Yay! So cool. This is great.
So cold, so cold.
Phew, it's so hot.
Ah, nice and warm. That's better.
Cool. That feels good.
Hot is the best.
Cold is the best.
Wow, so cool. Camels like hot places, just like me. Their humps store energy so they can walk a long, long way in the desert.
Wow, so cute. These are emperor penguins. They love cold places, just like me. Their thick feathers keep them warm.
Ah, too hot.
Let's add some ice.
Thank you.
Ow, my teeth!
Let me help.
Wow!
Oh.
Ouch! Quick, put some ice on it.
Wow, the ice really helped. Thank you.
Remember to wear your gloves next time. What's happening? So cold. Ah!
Oh no! I got it. Heat can melt the ice.
Thank you.
What do I do? What do I do? Help! Help! I'm burning up!
Cole can cool it down. I have an idea. Oh no! Cold ice cream tastes great too. Warm popcorn is so yummy.